In the silence of code, a whisper begins. A world unfolds with just two words within. Hello world, a gentle start, the spark of logic, a programmer's art. C++ is a powerful general purpose language. It extends the C language, adding object-oriented features. It is widely used for building applications, systems, and even in competitive programming. The aim of this simple program is to introduce us to the structure of a C++ code. It will show how we can display output on the screen. This example is often considered the traditional first step in learning any programming language. Here is the full program. We start with including a header, then define the main function, and finally display the message hello world before ending the program. The line #include iostream is a preprocessor directive. It tells the compiler to include the input-output stream library, which is necessary for using cout and cin. The line using namespace std allows us to use standard library objects directly. This means we can simply write cout instead of the longer std::cout. The function int main is where the program begins execution. Every C++ program must have this main function. It is the starting point and controls the flow of the program. The line cout hello world is the output statement. It sends the text hello world to the console where the user can see it. Here cout stands for character output stream. The line return 0 marks the successful end of the program. It signals to the operating system that the program executed without errors. To run the program, save the file as hello.cpp, then compile it using the command g++ hello.cpp -o hello. Finally run the program with /hello. When executed, the program displays a simple message on the console, hello world. This confirms that the program worked successfully. We have now understood the basic structure of a C++ program. We saw the purpose of the header, the namespace, and the main function. We also learned how to print output with cout. This is the first step into the exciting journey of learning C++ programming. Thank you for your attention.